The chairman of our party, the chairman of today's occasion, former Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps, distinguished senators, and members of the House of Representatives, that are here, the Right Honorable Speaker, and members of the State Assembly that are here, our dear leaders, our celebrants, and your spouses that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first of all start by appreciating and thanking God Almighty for today and congratulating the celebrants, the Executive Director of Finance and Bill and the representative of the state in the Niger Delta Development Commission. The chairman has spoken and he has taken part of what I want to say. And so I will abandon the areas he spoke and then go to the other areas he did not speak. And I want to be recorded very well. I want to be recorded. My Lord, Justice Chike, retired and administrator of the Justice Menabli Judicial Institute, and my younger brother, I didn't call who. So all of you are watching to know who that is their business, but the person knows themselves. Today we are gathered here as Rivers people. Today we are gathered here as friends of Rivers people because something good has happened to us. We are gathered here as people who believe in the same political family. Today, I want to say clearly, Boma Yaye and Tino Kachan, they know how water entered melon. For those of you who do not know, you ask them what transpired, what happened. It was not an easy battle. So I want to appreciate and thank Mr. President for giving us the opportunity to serve as the Executive Director of Finance and Administration and to also have our own state representative. Even when it got to the Senate level, it was opposed that Rivers should not have the Executive Director of Finance and Admin. But I want to thank Mr. President of Senate and his team for standing by us and clearing them to today be part of management of the NDDC. Yes, Rivers State has had it before, but our own nobody has come from our own political team that has been there. And that's why when we are fighting, most of us do not understand that we all cannot be elected persons. So there are some people that will be elected and some people that will be appointed. We can be appointed if you have a friendly government, right? Yes. If Atiku had won, you will not be here.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
If Tinubu had won, you will not be here. Some of you who played us who are you, it's your business. And that is why what we are talking about is the interest of our state. What will our state benefit? What will our political team benefit? It took most of us sleepless nights. What I'm saying so, I'm saying it to their hearing now. You are not here days as a young man. When the fight was on to put you there was no young man that came. I want to say clearly, if I had wanted as a good man, I would have done it. But I know you are somebody who has been committed. Since 2015, when I started running for election, you have never wavered. And so, for me, it is not where you come from. It is who you are. I just want to say, thank God you're on camera. I'm on camera, I'm saying it. I don't want to feel like you hate me or not. Because what I'm saying this time in the state, I have never seen it before. Remember that we even have to go for lobbying to amend the law And the law was amended within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. To make sure River State benefited from it. You were there. So people should, when things are going wrong, ask questions. Don't say, oh, because I'm from here. If we do so, most of us will not benefit or reappointment. It doesn't come that way. It doesn't come that way. The nominee for River State, Bayelsa, and Delta State, for Federal Civil Service Commission, for River State, is an Ijaw. I nominated him. I just want to say it, and some of you are looking at me, I'm looking at all of you. Go and tell your people to stop dividing River State. It will not work like that. It will not work like that. The MD is an Ijaw. I supported him. So, when people are in position of authority, don't stop doing this ethnic sentiment. It will not work. Continue to relate with people. It is an advantage. Continue to be guided by your people at home. Don't allow outsiders to take over you. See how I have the city with you now. Make sure sometimes they call her, ask her, what do you think I should do? But then the public don't know that she's the one giving you the... Because when the public know, they're going to rush to your wife instead of rushing to you. So quietly, let her advise. But let her not come and show it to the public. I'm the one controlling him. Control him at home where he's right. But when you come into public, go back. So that things will not spoil. And that's what I've advised so many people. Be careful. Today is my greatest day. I've been maybe unhappy for some days, but today I'm very, very... I have told you, whatever they are struggling in NDC, struggle for River State. Don't struggle for your own pocket alone. You will mean well. When so many of them here say, Oga Boma help me, Oga Tony help me, but I will feel bad. When I get report, Oga cannot see Boma again. Oga cannot see Tony again. It's a very bad thing. So it puts nothing for politician. Because at the end of the day, you are blocking other people's chances. And that's what we expect from you. I know two of you are people who are sociable. You cannot learn left hand at old age. I have that confidence. And we too, we shall allow them to at least settle down. Settle down. I know, yes, you are chairman of the Council of Chiefs. I don't know whether you still combine it under EDF. I know they are here. Leave him to settle first before you carry all their problems. I cannot solve our problem. It's just ED finance and administration. Pay. That's what he's doing. Pay. Tony is out to make sure projects. He will say which ones for River State. He chooses which projects, which ones for River State. That's the most important thing. You will feel happy when you leave that you have used your position to help your state. And to also warn you, NDC has a bad name. Naturally. In fact, if you ask Mr. President, he was not in a hurry. Because the trillions that have come to our region, we cannot show for it. Let us not begin to say every time, outsiders, outsiders. Which outsiders? I'm here as FCTB says, let the outsider come and control me. It's when you make yourself available. If you're giving people jobs, make sure the jobs are done. Make sure the jobs are done for the benefit of our people. Nobody says you don't make money. You eat where you work. Why do you eat when there's no work? So please change that narrative. Maybe we should do projects that will have impact in the region. You must do projects that have impact. Stop this project of 1 kilometer. Stop this project leading to my estate, leading to my family house. Stop it. It has no impact. Do regional projects. Projects that will lead you from here to Delta, Delta to Ijaw. Like that. From rivers to Akwa Ibom, Akwa Ibom to Coastal. That's regional project. Stop this, I'm building police station for people. It's kind of system. You go to your state and building 6 classroom block. Is it what the state told you to do? If you want to do something for the state, come to the state, ask the state, what do you want us to do? As it were now, I've told you, for make sure the ring road is being carried by River State from general section. If you take from Borokiri, join it to Eleme, then the entire ring road is completed. So if they are doing project for River State, now this is what you want. Let them not just come and go to where you have a house. This is Akasa. And put what do you call this light? Solar. And then come and tell me we put solar lights. Solar light is not a problem. Take it and go. Do projects that our people will say, yes, we are happy. If you connect that Port Harcourt, Borokiri, down to Okrika, down to Elime, which was where we started the road. Then the entire state is it will not cost you, even if it will cost you 50 billion. With the money people have, 9 states, take for example, 9 states. If you spend 50 billion, in 9 states, how much is it? 450 billion. What is 450 billion for MBs? If you are telling me to take it easy. Because it pains us. It pains us. Such a commission, we cannot be boastful of what very, very capital project we can boast of. Everywhere, littered, abandoned. I won't come for abandoned projects. Be careful, don't be intimidated by politicians. I know they put you there, but tell them to look. You can also chop if we do this big project. We should not be cursed. Let us not say we are cursed. God did not curse us. God has blessed us. Let us not curse ourselves. So I want people to work together and also consult with the governors of the Niger Delta State. They are the members of the governing board. Even though we didn't have that opportunity to be consulted because they say we are in different party. But that is not the way it's supposed to be. So I thank you. I congratulate the 2 of you with your spouses. Please also know that having a steady home will help you to do your job. Having a steady home would have you to do your try as much as you can to remain as so much. So that both eyes will not be on you. This position you have found nice and attractive position. It's attractive. It's not like me as FCT minister. It's an attractive position. Unfortunately, I've not been available. So it's very tempting. You don't know where you are. It's very, very tempting. The position, particularly you, the position occupied is very, very tempting. People will think you have bank. Executive Director of Finance and what? If he does not have his account now, he has not less than 50 billion. They are the one giving you the money now. So just to tell you what it is, but it is not available at all. 50 billion is not a small the way people call it. That's you will be getting some 50 billion, 100 billion. You can also use it to help people. If you can't help when you have 50 million, you cannot help when you have 50 billion. You must have the mind to help. So, my brothers and sisters, I want to sincerely thank you. And I know by God's grace we will succeed. Yes, thank you, and God bless.
Members of the National Assembly here present, Felix Wike and others. My very, very primary constituency, the River State House of Assembly, where I started my politics from. Members of our party that are here, members of APC that are here, my family members, all our friends and brothers, my chiefs, especially the chiefs from Okubolo. Yeah, Bogreno! Bogreno! I want to say very good afternoon to all of us here. Your Excellency, we have all listened to your charge. But let me start from the fact that there is no Boma Yaye without a Yeso Wiki. Yes, people will say you're lucky, you have grace, God is on your side. I've been fortunate from 2003. I've been in one office to the other, and finally I'm here. Yes, it's God, I agree. But God walks through man.